Edwase, afiani de kwa sutie said and 70 more ankasa etie. Kane penny ana well ye Chief Justice Mame Sophia Akuffo de no ho ajimubi penny 4 year wo makobo onse sen wo finance ministry ho wansem nyina yetia e chesa ban yi won mo free debt exchange program ne mo Adom Kasee etwaso.
Others are having a hard time because of this manner in which their contractual rights. Me, I'm seeing it purely from a legal point of view. Their contractual rights are being threatened. Then I have to say something. I have to join them in solidarity. I don't need to talk to anybody involved in it. Their pain is my pain, because I have retired sisters, I have retired friends, and so on and so forth. And when the bell tolls, it tolls for all of us. Yes.
What's your own understanding of what is going on, the debt restructuring program? How best should government have gone about this?
Young man, if I knew economics and finance, I'd have gone to the University of Ghana Business School. I went to law school because I know how to read, remember, talk, analyze. But you're asking me a question which, if I answer it in a certain way, some economist will tell me I know nothing. Yeah, I know nothing. All I say is that if there is the need to restructure debts, before you even decide you're going to restructure debts, the first thing you need to do, I believe, is to look within what is fully under your control and see where you can cut this, you can postpone this, you can reprioritize, and be honest with the people of Ghana. Because of A, B, C, D, E, and F, we will shelve this, we will put this on the back burner, we will prioritize this because it has to do with education, it has to do with a human life, and so on and so forth. You don't just jump at the low-hanging fruit. And the people whose money is in your hand, and you're going to tell them, okay, your money is in my hand, and this is how you're going to get it back. It's rude, it's wicked, it's unlawful, it's not right. It lacks good faith, it lacks humanity, because we are sitting here because we are well enough to come. Do you know how many people are languishing at home? Do you know how many people who are not even, they are in such a bad state, they are not even aware of what's going on, but it's their investments that have been keeping them alive. You don't know, you don't care. And you do not touch the old people. You do not touch the funds of the aged when you have not done other things. You have not done due diligence. You have not checked on what other things you do. We are not your last resort. You haven't reached the point of last resort. If they think they've reached the point of last resort, they should prove it to us and show us why this is the only solution. And in any case, it's not a lawful solution. So they should not even go there. Because if they change the law today, it will not affect what has already accrued.
And so, as a lawyer, what are the legal perspectives? Are there any remedies for this bondholder? Should government still maintain the position they have taken?
They can take them to court because there's a contract. And the contract said something. You did not, certainly in what I signed up, there was no clause in there which says when the government becomes and thinks it has become bankrupt, it will not pay you. So long as government has properties, I can sue them and I can claim my entitlements through there. But it should not come to that. I'm a Ghanaian citizen. There's today, but tomorrow Ghana will continue to exist with or without Kenuforiata and so on and so forth. But deal fairly, deal respectfully, deal properly. with people whose rights you know you're trying to trample on, and you're trying to use cajolement and dubious arguments and sentimentality. Listen, when you are old, when you're a pensioner, when you know where every penny you spend and need comes from, sentiment does not arise. It's what is right that matters. So the years we've got left, by God's grace, let us live those years according to how we had, after many years of working faithfully. I think everybody here and every pensioner worked faithfully. We should allow faithfulness to pay. Faithfulness, principles, excellence, we should allow it to pay. And even if the government will not allow it to pay, people have invested the fruits of their excellence. And you want to throw it away because you think you can. No, you can't. He cannot. It's not lawful for him to do it, period. Say, I didn't arrangement na in Shishena Mr. Furiata say why no Mamu Biam Peniso. In a nutshell, near me walking with 3 morning.